All right, here's the TubeBuddy keyword research tool, which I quite like. There's lots of them around, but I like this one. So what I'm going to do is go into here, and I'm going to type 2021 and explore. And what that's going to do is show me that there is quite a good search volume for 2021 already, even though we're still, at the time of recording this, is 26th of December. Already people are starting to search for things in 2021, which is great because therein lies opportunity. The auto suggest function of the keyword tool also gives us a little bit of a clue as to what might be good to make videos about. Movie trailers, la la la, but the one that stuck out with me here is predictions astrology, because I mean, just do some videos on predictions in astrology for 2021. I mean, you can't. The great thing about astrology is it's nonsense, isn't it? So anything that you do, as long as you get the views, it's going to be fine. So that's the keyword research tool. How do you use it, or how do you use 2021? Well, really simple. Just go into your existing videos, and I'll use an example of from my Go Slow TV channel. This is just tube journeys and things. Really stupid, but people watch it. Just go and add 2021 to the title. What I would also suggest is add it into the description. Jubilee line in December 2021, and then stick it in the tags as well. 2021. Boom. Save. So that's if you've got a long video, but here's a bit of a ninja tactic. Remember I talked recently about the short video strategy. Well, I can see no reason why you can't combine them. So how about, let's actually do it on this one. Let's find, I just want to do, what are the 5 love languages shorts? If I go in and change it to 2021, what are the 5 love languages? What do I, in this video, in this 2021 video, how about that? In this 2021 video, blah blah blah. Also in the tags, let's go down and change it in the tags as well. Let's just add 2021 to the tags. Boom, that's it. Job done. Don't forget the cautionary tale that I put in the video. If you've got a video that's doing really, really well, don't mess with it. I'll give you an example of the one that I'm not going to touch, even though I could probably improve it, but I'm too scared. So if I go into my nursery rhyme channel, I'm going to the top video here, like almost 50 million views, way more than any of the other ones. This is this is my shooting star video. Yeah, I could probably go in and optimize this, but I'm not going to touch it, because if I go in and change the title or for any of the metadata, YouTube's algorithm is going to re-index it, and possibly it might say that it's rubbish, and I might lose that, which is a big chunk of the very meager income that I get from YouTube. Yeah, so just to be clear, if you go and change any of the metadata, the YouTube search algorithm will revisit your video and reassess its position in the search rankings. Could be that it reassesses it for the better, but it could also reassess it for the worst. And I'm too chicken to change that one. This strategy is really good for finding opportunities for videos which are just kind of languishing and doing nothing. Anyway, that's it. When you've finished, when you've said all you need to say, when you've said all you've got to say, shut up.